Okay, 2 months ago I made a video on Tiger Shroff's workout strategy, which is requested by one of my subscriber. And just after uploading that video, he DM'd me on Instagram and asked me to make a particular video in which I am trying Tiger Shroff's chest workout, same as I am doing in my old Vidyut Jamwal's and Virat Kohli's video. फिर से What say? Should I try? Let's try. Let's try. Okay, first we have to find out Tiger Shroff's workout routine, and our plus point is that we can find out it on internet. Okay, so Tiger Shroff's workout routine. I don't think कि हमको मिलने वाला है ये. So okay, wait, what? इतना easy था क्या ये? Is this for real? We got Tiger Shroff's workout routine. ओके तो मैं अपने एक सब्सक्राइबर के कहने पे टाइगर श्रॉफ का चेस्ट वर्कआउट रूटीन करने के लिए रेडी हो गया. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज वेयर डू आई गेट टाइगर श्रॉफ्स वर्कआउट रूटीन. सो आई सर्च्ड इट ऑन इंटरनेट and one of the website named Workout Info Guru claims that they have the original workout routine which Tiger Shroff used to do during his first movie. And the workout is this. Let's check it out. Monday back, Tuesday chest, Wednesday legs, Thursday arms. Okay, fair enough. Let's check his chest workout. Okay, we are here for chest workout. 12 sets. 12 sets incline, decline, 12 sets chest fly. What? 12 sets? I don't think ये real है. No. I don't think कि Tiger Shroff 12 sets करते होंगे. But there's only one way to find it out. Let's check some Tiger Shroff's workout video on YouTube. Why not? Okay. Look at here, Tiger Shroff is using heavy weights and heavy weights यूज़ करने का मतलब है आप हाई सेट्स नहीं लगा रहे हो तभी आप heavy weight यूज़ कर रहे हो. That heavy. Let's check some more videos. Heavy. Okay, so its simple logic is that if you are carrying heavy weight, then it's pretty obvious that you will only do 3 or 4 sets. Because you have to save some energy for another exercises. And if you are doing 12 sets with heavy weights, then you only can be able to do one exercise only. It depends on your strength, but most of the time it happens. And 12 sets of flat bench press, 12 sets of inclined bench press, 12 sets of decline bench press, and 12 sets of chest fly. It's really not gonna be an easy challenge. But you are my subscriber and I love you a lot. So I'm gonna do it for you, buddy. Okay, now we are gonna start our workout with some easy normal push-ups in order to prevent our shoulders from injuries during high sets. So we are doing 5 reps of normal push-ups, 5 reps of diamond push-ups, 5 reps of wide push-ups, and 5 reps of the Hindu push-ups. These 20 repetitions of push-up will activate your chest, tricep and shoulder muscles very well. Now our body is ready to hit those benches and we are gonna start with this flat bench. So all we are gonna do in this high set situation to make it more effective for our muscles is pyramid sets. Pyramid set starts with light weight and higher reps, and end upon heavier weight and fewer reps. And I am dividing all these bench exercises into 2 parts in order to make it more impactful for our muscles. In the first part we are doing it with barbells for 6 sets, and in the second part we will use dumbbell for another 6. So we completed our barbell part. Now it's time to hit the bench with dumbbells. Now after all the bench exercises with barbell and dumbbells, now it's time to hit our last exercise, chest fly. After all these 3 workout, now it's time to do chest fly, our last exercise. But wait a second, टाइगर श्रॉफ के इस वर्कआउट रूटीन में ये मेंशन ही नहीं है कि चेस्ट फ्लाई आपको कौन से बेंच पे लगानी है, इंक्लाइन, डिक्लाइन और फ्लैट. सो आई डिसाइडेड टू डू 4 सेट्स ऑन इंक्लाइन बेंच, 4 sets on flat bench and 4 sets on decline bench. All total 12 sets in order to make it more interesting for you. So it is my workout now. Give me 1000 rupees right now. ओके, सो फ्रीक्वेंसी, कितने बार ये वर्कआउट तुमको करना है? क्या तुमको डेली यही वर्कआउट करना है? नो. इस रूटीन को तुम हफ्ते में 1 या 2 बार फॉलो कर सकते हो अपनी मसल्स को रेस्ट देने के लिए, खुद को प्रॉपर रिकवरी टाइम देने के लिए, एंड ये तुम्हारी मसल ग्रोथ के लिए भी अच्छा ही होगा. एंड मेक श्योर यू आर यूजिंग प्रॉपर फॉर्म एज अ बिगनर. सो फाइनल कंक्लूजन, व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दिस सेलिब्रिटी वर्कआउट सीरीज? क्या ये वर्क करती है? सो हियर्स योर आंसर, यस. सो मेरी सेलिब्रिटी वर्कआउट सीरीज बहुत ही ज़्यादा मोटिवेटिंग है एंड ये आपको कुछ ना कुछ सिखाती है. ओके, इफ़ यू वांट सम मोर एक्सरसाइज रिलेटेड टू चेस्ट वर्कआउट फॉर इनर एंड आउटर ग्रोथ ऑफ चेस्ट, check out the link which I given in the description box. Watch the video and gains, and make sure you like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.